This plant improves your vision even if you are 70 years old. Do you want to have a clearer vision, but you do not want to wear corrective lenses or have surgery? While science is still deliberating about whether vision can be improved through natural means, this herb improves eyesight even in people over 70 years. Solve problems with your eyes, vision and eye pressure. Vision is one of the senses of the human being. Thanks to them we can establish a bond with the world around us, since they are one of the sensory organs with a perfect development, which together with the other organs of the senses, occupies great part of the brain. That is why when the problems with the vision present can significantly affect the quality of life of the people, since these can present with a series of symptoms like blurred vision, halos, spots in the vision and allergies. So when it appears some kind of visual pathology, people are able to do anything to regain normal vision. One of the most common pathologies that occurs is when exposure to sunlight reaches the retina and can cause disorders such as myopia, farsightedness, presbyopia, and astigmatism are examples of disorders of refraction. How to combat visual problems? One of the important factors for preventing the onset of eye diseases is prevention, so you can implement measures like change in your diet, exercise, avoid bad habits like smoking. But there are also excellent home remedies that can help you maintain and improve your vision and prevent the emergence of diseases associated with it. According to various medical studies, aloe vera is a plant with excellent properties, so it is widely used in various home remedies that can be administered orally or applied to the skin. Ingredients: 1. 120 grams of aloe vera juice. 2. Half a kilo of chopped walnuts. 3. 320 grams of honey. 4. 5 lemons. Preparation: first, prepare the juice of aloe vera. For this, cut the leaves into small pieces. Rub and squeeze the juice, passing the leaves through a double gauze or fine strainer. Once the juice is made, mix it with the other ingredients. Drink 1 tablespoon 30 minutes before each meal, 3 times a day. If you drink this remedy, you can constantly improve the vision. In addition, this preparation contains a high concentration of vitamins and strengthens your